From raw materials to quality foam fit for a king, our manufacturing process provides you with exceptional foam solutions. Strandfoam, South Africa's largest independent polyurethane and plastic foam manufacturer, with more than half a century of experience and service excellence. We source high-quality chemicals imported directly from Europe. With our well-maintained storage tanks, we ensure a sufficient stock of raw materials all year round. Our cutting-edge slab stock foaming technology employs square block manufacturing, resulting in a better overall yield. This guarantees a homogeneous distribution of foam material properties. The implementation of our long block system allows us to minimize volume loss due to shrinkage. This system also reduces the need for excessive handling, optimizing our manufacturing process for efficiency and productivity. As a trusted supply chain resource for the bedding industry, we pride ourselves on meeting the diverse peeling needs of our customers. Our curing area not only serves as a fire risk management solution, but also plays a crucial role in enhancing the quality and durability of our material properties. Our convoluted peeling process offers a cost-saving alternative, while its unique egg-shaped contour finish provides aesthetic appeal and functionality. Block storage facilities ensure that we can fulfill orders throughout the year, while prioritizing fire risk management for the safety of our inventory. Our rebond manufacturing process reduces our carbon footprint by recycling offcuts and scrap materials. This approach decreases waste and serves as a foundation for the bedding industry. Our rebond storage facilities maintain a sufficient stock of finished goods while ensuring reliable and consistent quality yield rates. Bulk customer converting ensures efficient order delivery to our larger customers. We employ a just-in-time approach to meet their specific needs while maintaining quality standards. We service small and medium-sized customers with increased complexity requirements, ensuring their orders are delivered on time, utilizing the just-in-time approach to prioritize their specific demands. CNC cutting technology enables us to achieve the best yield possible. Using nesting templates, we deliver unmatched cutting quality for complex designs. In our laminating department, our skilled team assembles foam components with meticulous attention to detail. We rigorously test every foam type to ensure it complies with our in-house standards, as well as industry regulations, such as the SAN standards. Testing guarantees customer reassurance of foam quality and compliance. Research and development are at the core of our operations. We continuously explore new possibilities and innovative solutions to push the boundaries of foam technology. Contact us today for superior foam solutions tailored to your unique needs. Strandfoam. It takes hard work to create a soft world.